If you're looking for a hotel in downtown Houston that has a lot of rooms, good amenities, beautiful architecture inside with glass and also large convention space, then the Hilton of the Americas is a great place for you. So it's located right in the middle of downtown Houston. It is right across from the Discovery Green Park in Houston. So Houston, very large city, sprawling, and so this is a good place to stay that is close to a lot of the different places to visit around Houston. So it's also a great convention area. So a little bit about it. Opened in 2003, 1,200 rooms, and it once was Texas's largest hotel. At the opening time, there's since been others that have eclipsed us in size. So the lobby, very beautiful with Italian blown glass that reminds me of Dale Chihuly, but is actually glass from Murano in the Venice area that is well known for its amazing glass working. It has convention space. So I have myself have been to conventions there. Very nice facilities. You have Papacitos, a Tex-Mex restaurant that is pretty famous in the area, in the lobby area. Plenty of resting spots in the lobby. A Starbucks can be found there and multiple elevator banks. So, depending on east or west, whichever way you want to go. And there's also some shops there that you have the Avenida Houston. This is right near Avenida Houston, which is the George R. Brown Convention Center, plus a variety of restaurants. KHOU Channel 11 News is also in that area, and it has an space dedicated to different countries in the Americas. It also has a sky fitness center, so you get nice views of downtown as you can see while you're working out with very modern and nice equipment. And you can actually see through the windows the Daikin Park, the baseball stadium. There's also another nice hotel restaurant that's there and also a lobby bar. And as you can see, it's a very modern and nicely done decor throughout the hotel. So, and it's a place that that you're able to kind of relax while you're there. And when I've been at the hotel, I've sometimes seen some famous people there from basketball and also WWE wrestlers and things like that. So you never know who you might run into. But they also have, this is Houston Space City. They also have a simulated lunar growing area. And during Christmas time, for the last few years, they've put elaborate chocolate art where this is all done like this Mario version of it that's different every year. I've found that is really pretty spectacular, and you can smell the chocolate when you're there, and that's usually there Thanksgiving through Christmas time. They also, if you're a Diamond member staying in one of the suites, they actually do have an executive lounge. A lot of hotels have done away with their executive lounges. They still have one that's quite nice. We got to go up there, get snacks. You can also come up there and get breakfast if you would like. But during off hours, they have assorted kind of snacks, they have drinks and things available to you. So if you're one of the elite kind of categories, there's also a spa there. So, and a nice pool up in the spa area. So let's look at a room. So the room that we stayed in, we were there. Just a standard room that was still quite nice. You can see two, queen beds basically is what we had, and the TV welcomed me from into Houston, and it has the standard kind of Hilton amenities with a nice chair, nice bedding. You can see how close you are to Toyota Center, where the Houston Rockets and a lot of concerts play, and also our soccer stadium that's over in the distance. So it's a good location if you're going to go stay for those kind of things as well. So, once again, thanks for watching. Give us a like and subscribe to help our channel grow. And if you're in Houston and looking for a nice stay in a relatively large hotel, then the Hilton of the Americas is a good option right near a lot of the main spots in Houston. Thanks again.